Joanna, what are you making?
I'm making banana Q.
Banana Q. What is banana Q?
It's banana.
It's banana. What kind of bananas are we using?
Uh,
What kind of bananas?
Cardabas?
What are they?
Cardaba.
Cardava?
Yeah.
Okay. Are these like regular bananas or no?
What, regular?
Yeah, like they like regular bananas?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but they're different. They're smaller, right?
No, yeah.
Yeah, they're much smaller than.
You can
like,
use this one.
You could use that one.
You can use this one not for banana Q, but for baking.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So we're deep frying them.
Deep frying first.
Yeah.
Until it turns like red. So I don't like to eat a banana which is not well done. I want to make it well done first.
Oh, okay. Now you saying about brown sugar. So what do we do with the brown sugar after?
I need to get all of them and put it here,
Mm-hmm.
and then put some sugar, like 5 scoop or 5 spoon, and start to caramelize. And if it's ready, then I'm going to put them back.
Put them back in the oil.
Yes.
I gotcha. So we just finished the deep frying. So now what's next?
Now, put the sugar and boil them and start to caramelize.
So you're gonna put that in the oil too?
Hot what? Hot oil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 5 spoon.
Hmm.
It's just in a medium heat. Am I in a medium heat?
Yeah. Yeah, you're on 6, so it's like a medium heat.
3, 4, and 5.
Do we stir it now?
Not yet.
Okay. So after pulling them out, this is the result. Got a few that are over caramelized, but these look all pretty good too. I think we did it.
I think so.
Yeah.
So
We're gonna try it. We got these sticks. We're gonna put them on.
not really big sticks.
Yeah, bigger sticks. That's all we could find right now. So we hopefully have successfully made banana Q in America. These are what we would probably call like fried bananas, and my dog wants some right now. Don't you, Sagan? You want it? Don't you? All right, let's do a test. Here, can you get one? Thank you.
This one is caramelized.
I think so. You want that one? Pretty good.
Yes.
I like it. Finally. Yeah.
Say again.
We have successfully made fried bananas in America. Oh, it's good. I love it. Reminds me of the Philippines. Bye.